In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign out of your Netflix account from your television. So this can be useful if you're at a hotel and you've signed into your account and you need to sign back out. Then what we're going to do is first load up the Netflix on your television. So I'm just going to press this Netflix button here. And once you're on Netflix, we're then going to log in to one of the accounts. So I'm just going to select one of these like so. Once you're logged into your account, click on the left arrow to come all the way over to the left. And what we need to do is scroll all the way down and select Get Help. Then just give that a few seconds while that loads up. And if we scroll all the way down to the bottom here, you can see we can select Sign Out, and that's going to log you out of your Netflix account. So that's the first method to do this. The second method is slightly more complex. So what we need to do for this is just head back over to the Netflix homepage, and we're now going to perform a key combination on our television remote. So here's what you need to press on your remote control. The up arrow again, down, down, left, right, and then up 4 times. So we're going to do this together now. So I'm going to press up, down, down, left, right, and then up. And that's also going to pop up with this Get Help screen. So that's just another way to get to this window if you don't see it. And then from here, once again, you can scroll all the way down to the bottom and press Sign Out. And that's it, guys. Those are 2 methods to sign out of your Netflix account from your television. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.